Each day we turn to the news to help us navigate the world so we can make informed decisions about our lives and contribute to society. But there's a problem. Rather than helping us chart a path forward, the news leaves many of us feeling powerless, even hopeless. Confronted with non-stop headlines about crises, corruption, and violence, many of us just tune out. This isn't just bad for the news business. It actually harms society, sapping people's energy and making it harder for us to imagine a better world. The news doesn't have to be like this. Journalists can also show how people are working to improve the world. Of course, we'll always need great reporters to act as watchdogs, to provide the sunlight that disinfects society. But we also need reporters to help us see how people are responding to problems. What are their ideas? What's working? And what's not? And why? The big story is that this shift is happening now. More and more reporters are telling stories about how problems get solved. We are a community of journalists working together to advance a vision of the news that depicts the world in all its richness and complexity, changing what people know and moving us to action. Think of it as the whole story. Imagine if everyday reporting was like this, the news alerting us to what's wrong, as it should, but also helping us to see ways to make things better. What if the news moved each of us to discover the unique ways we could contribute? Conversations would change. People would talk about how to fix the world. Problems would get solved faster. Help us create a news system that tells the whole story. We're looking for journalists, social innovators, and anyone concerned about the world. Visit solutionsjournalism.org to learn